Hey everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen again. For today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make these crispy, wavy French fries called crinkle-cut fries that are an absolute blast to make and so good to munch on, especially with a little custom dipping sauce. All right, let's get started on the recipe. Alrighty, so first up with the recipe, you're going to get a few kennebec potatoes, or russets will work as well, and using this fancy little crinkle cut knife, start slicing them fairly thick, about ½ inch each slice or so. Once you're done cutting the potatoes, get a large pot filled about halfway up with canola oil and get it to around 375 degrees Fahrenheit and start par frying the potatoes, which just means you're gonna cook them about halfway through. You want them to get just a tiny bit of color around the edges, then pull them out and put them onto a large tray to cool them down to room temperature. You can overlap them a little bit, but the more space the better, since they do tend to stick to one another. While the par-fried potatoes are cooling down a bit, I'm going to make a super simple Dijonaise using Dijon mustard, yellow mustard, homemade mayonnaise, a splash of white wine vinegar, and a sprinkle of espelette pepper, just to give it a little bit of a spicy kick that I like. Give this a good mix until it's super smooth, transfer it to a container, and then back to the crinkle-cut fries. Now that the potatoes have cooled down and are about room temperature, turn the fryer up to about 375 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and start frying the potatoes until they are a deep golden brown color. One thing to mention here is that it's much easier to drop the potatoes in batches rather than one by one like I did earlier, so just grab a small bowl and make your life a bit easier. Once crispy and beautiful, transfer them to a bowl with paper towels at the bottom to catch any of that excess grease. Season with salt, and these beautiful crinkle cut fries are ready to go. You could serve these up with the dipping sauce just straight up like it is for everyone to enjoy, or alongside a juicy burger or fried chicken sandwich, which is just a match made in heaven to really make these things pop. All right, crinkle cut fries. Hopefully you guys enjoyed my take on yet another potato video. If you guys have been following my channel for quite some time, you guys know by now that I really love messing around with potatoes and frying them in different ways, shapes, and forms. And once I got this thing, the crinkle cut cutter, I knew what my next video was gonna be. So I'm gonna run through a little taste test of these, see how I did, and try them out. The sauce. Yes. Oh yeah. This is a beautiful, like spicy Dijonaise. So good. This would be really good. This like mustard Dijonaise, really good on a burger. It's almost like the little crinkles in them, like catch the sauce a little bit better than regular French fries. It's almost like a ladder for the sauce to climb up on. Just another fun way to play around with potatoes. If you guys do make French fries at home on a regular basis, or even like baked potatoes and fun things like that, you can do a baked version of this. And it's just a really good texture. It catches a lot of the flavorings you'd want to put on it if you want to even like sort of marinate them and then bake them flat on a tray. These would be great baked potatoes, almost like a little crinkle cut baked potato chip. Great for like a roast chicken dinner, or if you guys are having steak dinners, that'd be good. It's like a different variation of steak frites. So many ideas with this one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed my take on crinkle cut fries. If you did, like the video, subscribe to my channel if you guys enjoyed what I do. Comment down below for our future video requests, things you want to see on my channel, more potato recipes, different ways to play around with that. Drop a comment below. The recipe, which is pretty straightforward, will be in the description box below. specifically more for the sauce than the potatoes, but I'll put everything down there for you guys to check out. And of course, this little doodad will be in my equipment links as well. So I'll see you guys next time with another recipe. Later, folks.